Hey guys, so this is kind of a quick, kind of random, I'm just trying to get videos out at this point, video here, and so, basically, all my videos right now are just me answering questions that I answer on live streams a lot, so that people know, so I don't have to keep answering the questions, even though I know I will, but, one of the most common questions I get are, what mouse and what keyboard do I use, and which ones do I like the best? So, I'm just gonna answer it. Right now, I use the red, it's red only, I don't have the RGB, I'm not fancy. The red Corsair K70 Rapid Fire with Cherry MX speed switches, and that is my gaming PC keyboard, paired with a Logitech G502 Proteus Spectrum mouse. That's what I use. That's it. I'm gonna, of course, show you guys, maybe play a game here in a sec. The mic's kind of blocking the way, there we go. But that's it. That's what I use for the game right now. I actually do sometimes. Let's see if I don't plug this out. The computer turning on. Solid. I sometimes switch to my Cooler Master SK630, which is a small 10 keyless, meaning it has no numpad or any of those other keys. Actually, it does, but it has no numpad on it. So 10 keyless, 10 keys, numpad. Huh, funny. No. But it's 10 keyless, it has none, and it's also a 60% keyboard, meaning it doesn't have as much space between the keys, and it's smaller. It is a lot smaller. The keys are a lot closer together, and the keys are flat. It's kind of like a laptop keyboard. I like it a lot. It is RGB, but it's not plugged in, because you just saw me unplug it. I actually right now use this for my editing PC and my streaming PC keyboard, and it just kind of sits there looking very pretty. It connects to a USB-C, so you can take it out and plug it into a different computer at will. And then for that computer, I use a Razer Death Adder Chroma. I'm not going to pick it up because it'll turn on my computer, and I don't feel like turning it on right now. That's about it. My headset is the HyperX Cloud 2s that I've mentioned in multiple videos. Hopefully we have actually, I have a couple pairs of the red and black that I use for giveaways, but I actually hopefully have a white and pink pair coming, which I will make a video on. Because they're a limited edition. And my microphone is the Audio-Technica AT2020 as usual. And that's about it. I really, I like these keyboards. They're very nice. They have, since they're basically the same keys, these are the low-profile Cherry, I gotta break the keyboard. These are the low-profile Cherry MX red switches. Such bad quality. I'm pretty sure the mic actually just peaked. But yeah, they're Cherry MX, so they're kind of loud, but they're not like clicky. Now, if you like a clicky keyboard, go for it. These have the same keys, but these are actually the Cherry MX Speeds, not the Cherry MX Red Slims. These are Cherry MX Red Speed Edition, so they have the same sound. Let's see, let's put them next to each other. I know they're so far from the mic, but they have similar sounds. These sound a little bit quieter, to be honest, but the reason I personally like clicky keyboards, but the reason I don't use clicky ones that have a, Cherry MX Brown or Cherry MX Blue, so why did I put these on, is because I stream and I can't have the clicks in the background all the time, taking up all of the microphone. But that's about it. That's what I use. I like these two keyboards. I highly recommend them if you're looking to purchase. There will be, I'm going to say there's links in the description. If there's not, it's because I forgot in the time that I edited this, but that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. So if you had these questions, I hope they're answered. Thank you guys. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.